CMK series electric wire rope hoists have long service life with modular casted chassis and direct-driven casted wheels, as well as provide extreme endurance with direct-driven system. The hoists are adjustable with two chromium rods between 150 and 500 millimeters bottom flange width, and also suitable for any world standard beams such as flat, tapered, hybrid, or box beams. With smaller and compact design of CMK series, the hoists can reach more areas for better utilization of working area. Main hoisting motor is located inside of the drum, thus benefiting from the natural air tunnel of the drum with enhancing the cooling operation and keeping the optimum heat level of the motor. In addition to that, hoisting motors are capable of operating under heavy conditions very silently at 3000 RPM thanks to the top-notch high-quality components. Compared to the conventional systems, CMK hoists are equipped with a large diameter rope drum, enabling it to have the maximum number of reeving for easily reaching high lifting heights. Thanks to the CMK series hoist's design, lifting and lowering is done with minimal hook drift, similar to absolute vertical lifting systems. All motion of the CMK series electric wire rope hoists is driven by the inverters. Thanks to the standard electrical systems of CMK series, hoist operators' commands to the hoists are overridden and corrected with ensuring correct operation and minimizing the wear on mechanical parts, thus increasing the service life and effective operation. With a compact pulley system, it enables CMK hoists to have higher falls without increasing the size of the hoist. In this way, it can reach larger lifting capacities with smaller hoisting groups. With the wide diameter drum of CMK hoists, the bending angle of wire rope is far smaller than conventional hoists, thus increasing the service life of the wire rope by 5 times. CMK Type GGG70 graphite cast iron rope guide ensures the wire rope to be tightly rolled to the drum, and thanks to its flexibility, it minimizes the breakage due to wrong usage. Top and bottom hook travel limits have 2 levels and are easily adjustable to ensure trouble-free operation. In case of the hook getting close to the top or bottom limits, at first the hoisting speed will be lowered automatically and then stopped at the extreme limit set, thus ensuring far healthy and safe operation. In terms of mechanical structure and electrical system, CMK series electric wire rope hoists are designed with the plug-remove principle. Thus, every part of CMK series hoist can be easily disassembled and lowers to the ground for effective maintenance and part replacement. CMK series electric wire rope hoists are equipped with PTC, Thermic, phase safeguard, emergency systems, top and bottom limiters, and overload limiters. These high-technology hoists are also compatible with ISO, FEM, and CE norms. Thus, they are very reliable and safely operational, and its design lowers the maintenance requirement while reducing your maintenance costs. If requested, CMK series electric wire rope hoists can be equipped with regenerative modules, which will let the system feed the surplus energy back to your main lines while lowering or slowing down. This will be decreasing overall power consumption of the crane or hoist by between 25 and 40%. CMK high-technology electric wire rope hoists are kind to earth. CMK series electric wire rope hoists' standard control voltage is 48 volts. In case of an insulation problem of the push button, only 48 volts electricity is on the circuits that are close to the operator's hands. In an emergency, to cut the main power of the crane, operator can simply press the emergency stop button, which is located at the bottom of the push button. Also, in situation of power surges, CMK hoists will automatically cut the main power to avoid its systems getting damaged. Industry 4.0 Integrated Hoist Sense is an advanced electronic system that constantly keeps track of usage, load, and critical incidents, while using this information to the advantage of the user to further increase the efficiency and decrease the downtime of the hoist. With its display mounted on the hoist, Hoist Sense informs the operator and maintenance crew with the critical information. With permanent safe working period calculations, Hoist Sense directly addresses real-time monitoring and displays up-to-date information about the remaining service life according to FEM 9.755. Hoist Sense provides real-time display of the loads via strain gauge sensor on LED screen. Comparing to other weighing systems, besides having more features, it is also more cost-effective. With ultra-speed function enabled, Hoist Sense increases speed to 150% nominal speed on all motions when the load is below 15% of the safe working load. Thus, your operation cycle is completed in much shorter time. Hoist Sense operates as an electronic overload system with precisely calculated strain gauge load measuring system, thus ensuring far healthy and safe operation. Hoist Sense tracks of past maintenances and prepares reports to the operator and maintenance crew. Also, if requested, the alarms can be activated for preventative maintenance periods. Hoist Sense does not add more buttons or require constantly checking the push button pendant, as the system will start displaying the load on the large display attached to the hoist immediately after the operator starts commanding the crane. And the stored information will be shown on the large display after the hoists stay idle for a short period of time. Hoist Sense electronic system can be integrated to any of your hoists with a small modification. Increase your profitability with Hoist Sense.